The question is there a connection between the food and memory? My hypothesis is to see if the memory can be improved by altering diet to include foods that are believed to improve brain function. Our subjects are 20 participants chosen randomly from Coconut Creek Boys Dorm. They are all male, aged between 17 to 19, and they are all seniors. The method I'm going to use in this experiment is first, research food that is believed to improve your memory. Second, I'll create several memory tests to give participants. Example tests include the following. The first one is to read a list of 25 items. After 2 minutes, ask participants to write down as many of these items as they can remember. Second one is to show a picture containing many items. Allow them to study it for 2 minutes. After 15 minutes, ask test subjects to list items that they observed in the picture. The last test is to ask test subjects to describe the weather from each day over the past week. After that, I will ask half of my test subjects to change their diet for approximately 1 week to include an increased amount of memory-enhancing food. Ask this group to keep a food diary so that I have an idea of how well each test subject adhered to their new diet. The other half of my test subjects should follow their usual diet. After 1 week, ask all of my test subjects to repeat the memory test. Change each test slightly so that they're not the same as they were before. Analyze the new test. My findings are for all 3 tests. The group of participants who were asked to take memory-enhancing food had a better performance and improvement on the second trial of the memory test, while the other group of participants had the same results as before. I believe these results support my hypothesis, and here is my bar graph for this test. As you can see, Group 1 could memory more than Group 2 on all 3 tests after taking memory-enhancing food. In conclusion, it is proved that memory can be improved by altering diet to include foods that are believed to improve brain function. Here are my 2 additional articles. The first one is a blog which provides 4 types of food that help to boost your memory. It includes vegetables, berries and cherries, enough omega-3 fatty acids, and walnuts. The second article is from the bbcgoodfood.com. It illustrates that certain foods contain specific key nutrients that the brain needs to ensure that our memory, both short-term and long-term, remains in tip-top condition. This includes antioxidants, good fats, and certain vitamins and minerals that not only provide energy, but also protection for the brain. Visual encoding. Encoding information based on the image of information. Spacing effect. The tendency for distributed practice to yield better retention than is achieved through mass practice.